So you replaced your Renault Kangoo 12-volt battery, and you notice that your radio is asking you for the security code, and it just so happens that you're the second owner of the vehicle, and there's no radio code available in the manual. So how do you figure out what is the security code, pre-code, with which you can generate the actual radio code? Well, you start by disassembling the front panel around the radio, like so. You also get rid of this bit, like so, or not really get rid of it, but get it out of the way. And then you get yourself a T25, I think, Torx bit. Let's double check. Yes, T25. Okay, so T25, and then you undo two fasteners on each side of the radio bracket. Be careful. Back with the magic magnet wands, that will help me to fish out the fasteners so they don't get lost in the rat's nest of cables below. Also move the gear lever lower and lift this panel, which was pretty straightforward, and now I can pull out the radio out and look for the pre-code in its rear. So pull out the radio and we see the barcode. In my case, the important bits are the last 4 characters in the barcode, so in this case it's K423. And we go to some online radio code generators. We add our pre-code, and then the generator provides us with the radio code, and we'll throw that into the radio, and Bob's your uncle, and you have your radio unlocked. So there's this great Renault Reddit subreddit post, how to turn one's Renault pre-code into Renault radio code. So this gentleman by the name of Ylo created an app, online app, that if we click there, we go to this website and loads the pre-code entry field, and then it generates the security radio code for Renault radios. It's loading a little bit slow, but I had it previously also open. No, I don't. There you go. So if we enter my code, which was on K423, see it generates 55198, and that's what's unlocked my radio, and then unlock yours also.